NDTV investigation. NDTV has now studied thousands of Aam Aadmi Party's donations received over the past year from the period of January 2014 to this year, January 2015, to find that only 15 donations crossed the 10 lakh amount. That amount which the party claims, over which all donations are looked at by the Internal Political Affairs Committee or the PAC of the party. These 15 include the 4 controversial donations of 2 crores, which the BJP claims are from bogus companies. But even as questions remain over the mystery donors, the party's doubled its daily average of 30 to 40 lakhs in donations.
For one company, you spend half a day. There are 35,000 transactions. We will just be doing these only.
Under fire for receiving 2 crores from dubious companies, the Aam Aadmi Party chief's defense that his party receives too many donations to vet each one.
This is the amount.
But by their own rules, donations about 10 lakh rupees get extra scrutiny.
If it's more than 10 lakhs, then it is reported to Political Affairs Committee, and Political Affairs Committee checks it only with a view to finding out whether it comes with any political strings attached.
NDTV studied thousands of donations received by the Aam Aadmi Party over the past year from January 2014 to find that only 15 donations cross the 10 lakh amount. These 15 included the 4 controversial donations of 50 lakhs each. The other high-value donations included a computer firm from Maharashtra, a company called Aditexfab from Gujarat, and multiple donations from Vikram Lal, the former CEO of Eicher Motors. They also received 3 crores from Bajaj Electoral Trust set up by the Bajaj Group. 15 donations in a year should not be hard to vet in greater detail. When asked about this, Arvind Kejriwal was evasive in his answer.
हमने 2 करोड़ रुपए चेक से लिए, वो गड़बड़ है. बीजेपी ने 2,500 करोड़ रुपए कैश से लिए, उसको कोई नहीं पूछ रहा. आपको हमारी गाड़ी से उतर के सीधे अमित शाह के ऑफिस जाना चाहिए. उनसे पूछना चाहिए, भाई 2,500 करोड़ रुपए तुमने कैश से लिए, उसका भी तो हिसाब किताब दो. उसका कोई वो बता भी नहीं रहे, नेम एड्रेस कुछ नहीं बता रहे.
Even as questions remain over the mystery donors, the party collected over 79 lakh rupees on Tuesday, doubling its daily average of 30 to 40 lakhs. Clearly, the controversy hasn't diminished the Aam Aadmi Party's popularity or its bank balance. With Sonal Mehrotra, Manas Roshan for NDTV.